Hello everybody and welcome back to the Parrot aviary. What is one item that you get very often for free that should be your bird's favorite toy? Well, I have learned you can buy them all the toys in the world and they'll still play with the cheapest, less costly ones. I just figured I would tie that there cup holder up. It's cardboard paper, so it's obviously safe for him. And Spaz is having a ball with it. Sweetie Pie's over there under the fluorescence, getting her drink on and getting some good color. It's been a real joy having these guys so far. I'm not gonna say it's always been easy adjusting, but it has been a joy. They're so cute. And I love trying to come up with new ideas for toys and perches and just any ideas to turn this aviary into a wonderful place for them to live and enjoy. They have free roam of this room. Their cage door is never closed. These guys are acrobatic. They walk sideways, slantways, upways, downways, backwards, forward. They do their little bird hop across things. They're quite a joy to watch. Here goes Spaz bird hopping now. Thanks for watching, everybody. And remember, geek out with your beak out, y'all.